In this video tutorial, we'll see a quick overview of how to enroll a new homebuyer on the new Wish portal. Whenever you're completing a process for the first time, we recommend using the guidance that's been built into the system. You can start this guidance by clicking on the Help or Resources tab on the right side of the screen. The first tab will be Resources for videos and documents. In the Help tab, you can see interactive guidance. We can search in this tab to quickly find the guidance we want. In this case, enrolling a homebuyer. Now, all I need to do is follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. We'll start by clicking the shortcut to enroll a homebuyer. We'll then choose the round that we would like to enroll this homebuyer in and click Enter Household. Now we'll enter our required information. Next, we'll click Initiate Enrollment. We'll click Yes to confirm. And now the enrollment has been initiated. You'll notice that the guidance will now continue from initiating the enrollment through the submission process. First, let's complete our Enrollment tab. We can see in the Enrollment tab that we need to add the enrollment address. Once this tab is complete, we'll continue to the Household Income Workbook. You'll notice here that my member name has already been added. This is the name that I used when I was initiating the enrollment. Typically, your head of household. We'll need to enter the income information for this individual, and then we can add additional household members if needed. We can continue with the guidance through this process. Before adding additional household members, we'll go ahead and click on the existing member to edit. We now need to fill in the additional details for this individual. If they are not the head of household, you can change that here. Next, we need to add the income. You may notice with some fields, such as this one where we can choose yes or no, that other fields may open up depending on your choice. Pay attention if these extra fields become available and make sure that you enter all required information. Now that we've added one piece of income, we'll be prompted to ask if there's additional income that we need to enter. If we don't have additional income to enter under annual income earning, we'll click No, and now we can proceed to income earning assets. We can enter additional assets if there are any, or click No to proceed. This will calculate the income for that user. We can see it will update the main record so that we can see the total income. We could add additional household members here if needed. If we're done, we can go ahead and click Submit Enrollment. Whenever you submit a record within the system, validation will run to make sure that all required fields have been completed. If you ever see an error message, such as the one at the top of the page, you can click on this link to see what field failed validation. We can then correct this and resubmit. We've now completed the process of enrolling a home buyer.